How to start practicing gratitude. The basics. Part 1. Practicing gratitude means to intentionally focus on the positive aspects of your life, contemplating and appreciating what this means to you. This practice will shift your focus towards the positive and away from negativity. There are many deep esoteric levels to practicing gratitude, and we will go into them in future videos. Like and subscribe. Here are the basics of incorporating gratitude into your daily practice. Start with awareness. Cultivate awareness of the things you are grateful for. Make a list. Write it down. It could be something as simple as the ability to see a beautiful sunset, a kind gesture from a friend, working out or eating good food. Keep a gratitude journal, a dedicated notebook specifically for gratitude. Each day, write down a few things you are grateful for. Be specific and describe why you appreciate them. Express gratitude to others. Take the opportunity to express gratitude directly to the people in your life. Let them know how much you appreciate them. Simply start and finish your day by acknowledging what you are grateful for. Use gratitude to reframe challenging situations or setbacks. Gratitude for what you have now. Gratitude for what you have learned. Gratitude for what could come. Gratitude for what will come. The actor Michael J. Fox recently said, "With gratitude, positive thinking is sustainable." Writing is one of the most powerful tools we have to practice gratitude. When you write, contemplate each thing you write down. Some examples of where to start are, I am so happy and grateful now that, fill in the blank. I am grateful for. I love and am grateful for. When I, fill in the blank, I am so grateful because. Thank you universe, God, Creator for. I now forgive and am grateful for. Thank you for. Remember, gratitude is a practice that requires consistent effort and attention. Once you have created the habit, check out our future videos on manifesting the future and changing the past.